In this video I'm going to show you how to silently install VLC, and I will begin this video from my GitHub page. I will leave the URL in the description down below. As you can see, I have some information here. There is a download link, documentation link, and the installation command that we will be using in this video. I will begin by clicking on the download link, and it just brings us to the main page of VLC media player, and I will click download VLC. Now let's wait a bit for it to download. In the meantime, we can start our command line as administrator and go to our downloads folder. As you can see, we have our installation file here already. I will copy the name. I will start with cmd/c to see when the installation is finished. I will paste in the name. And for the silent installation, the only thing that we need to do is to type /s capital and click enter. And now let's wait till it frees up our terminal. Let's go to all apps. And as you can see, it installed successfully. Let's go a bit back to my GitHub page. Here I have the link for documentation. You can find some information about installing VLC. And there is also the same command that we used in this video here. Or you can just copy it from here. And that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.